What is up, guys, girls, and goobers? Gorilla Tag is an update! I've been waiting so long. And now we're gonna read the board. Love is burning so bright it has set the forest ablaze. Try not to get sunk by the return of the... Wait! The return of the volcano? Wait, what? Celebrate your Valentine with Cupid-themed cosmetics and other fiery fashion in the shop. Yo, they returned the volcano! A new stand has opened in the store. Refresh your wardrobe with the rotating section of trees. Wait, did they change? Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Daily tea? Wait, there's a daily t-shirt? Yo, that's cool. Yes. Yes, I need it. You know, I'm gonna join my this is getting too out of hand.
No, I didn't say that.
So,
Wait, yo, I gotta tell you a secret.
What?
Do you wanna play minigame?
Yeah, actually. Yeah.
no,
What's the code?
again?
The code
Okay.
is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Jeez. Join this code if you ever wanna go to my videos. It's the private code I always go to. I just want to check out the cosmetics. Yes. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna check out the cake. I'm so excited. I finally have a full row of foldables. Sound. Yo, I lava you. Yo. Oh my god, this hat is so cool. It has an animation. Firefighter hat. This thing. Bee monkey. Chili pepper. But oh wait, I remember this. This is the volcano update. It's a chili pepper, but instead dipped in chocolate. Those things, I know what those are. It's a heart squishy, a real life heart squishy. Ooh, a free badge. And, ooh, that's cute. Really cute. I'm gonna buy this because it's free. Okay. I'm gonna get all birthdayed up. Lincoln, I don't have time with this, alright? Holdables. I mean, I'm gonna get all loved up. Here it is. Party cat. Just gonna leave that. Just gonna put the party hat on. Since it's almost Gorilla Tag's birthday, which is exciting. Ooh. What the? Dude. Yo, it's Cupid but the devil! Gonna check out those cosmetics in a bit. Anyway. Is there going to be a GT3 badge? Oh, here it is. It's literally a mix, bro. The birthday. Oh my god, what am I talking about? It's literally a birthday thing. Wait, it's the birthday lava up. Oh my god, volcano update, and in the Valentine's update all at the same time. 3 updates in one, dude. Dude, oh my god. Anyway, that's a pretty cool badge. Alright. Wait, I didn't buy the GT3 badge yet. I'm literally going to have another row of badges, bro. That's how many free badges there are. Alright. Is there anything else? I only have 400 shiny rocks, bro. I wish I did not spend them all, bro. All I did was spend them all is to buy a stupid coil hat. Daily t-shirt. Is this going to be here every day? Because that might be cool. Anyway. I mean, they did predict it pretty well. I'm going to... Did I check this here? Oh wait, I want to try this out. Oh, what? What? Alright. Aww. So cute. Alright. But I would rather be normal me. Let's see if it rotated. Is it the space map? Is there gonna be a space map? Come on. Wait, did the hole change? I feel like the hole became bluer. Yeah, I feel like everything became bluer. I mean, it's not the space update, it's just, swamp, but brighter. I wonder if they fixed Doug the bug. They fixed him! Yay! I wonder if he's flying around here. He's flying around here? I don't see him, and I'm too lazy to catch him, so just get back. Bro, I love this. Bro, I love how they give free holdables. Free holdables are very rare, dude. You usually only get, well, you only get free badges. By the way, I'm sorry I was late. Just a little late. I'm going to check out the ones that I think are funny / cool. Like this. Like whatever this thing is. This, and this. By the way, I know those. I know these things. I used to always like bite off of them like that. You can actually do that! Yo! Yay! Oh, control button. Got stuck. Now for the chili pepper covered in chocolate. Oh, it does the same thing! It's so cool! I love that. I love that. It's so cool. Okay. This thing is amazing. I love my hair, bro. Bro, what do you think of my hair? Wait. What do you think of my hair, bro? Bro, that's not hair. Your head is literally on fire. Oh, really, huh? What do you think about this? My hand burns. Ugh. Ugh, that's disgusting. Yo, the arrow actually moves. Bro, I bet people will wear this all the time, like toxic people or something. This is gonna be like the new toxic fit, bro. I will miss you on the way. Hold on. Did I check everything? Yes. Just gonna get more stuff. Try that. Fireman hat. Ooh, the fireman hat is reflective-y. Sorry, the dog's just barking outside. I don't know why. If you hear that, then No, it's the dog. Whoa, there's a siren on it! Yo, bro, my favorite thing about this update so far is the cosmetics. They're super creative and I love them. What about this? Anything abnormal? No. Gonna have a little candy snack. God, I feel sick. Some more. Bro, there's so much food cosmetics. Alright. Is there anything else? Ooh, what about this Valentine staff? The winter staff, when you slam it to the ground, it goes like ice. And the science staff, when you just hold it, it just shoots out lightning or something. Oh, this is not a hit staff. Ooh, but that is cool. Wait, where's my Oh wait, this one goes on your back too. Aw. I thought I could mix it with my rainbow staff and go like ultra mode or something, I don't know. Anyway, that's cool. And alright, the volcano. Bro, I love these giant random heart things. Here's a giant one and there. There it is. It's back. And I try to do this. Bro, I was never able to do this. I'm glad they brought it back. I was literally never able to do this. Because I played Gorilla Tag a little bit later. I played Gorilla Tag. Oh god. Oh no! Ah! God, that jump scared me. No. Please leave me alone. Whoa! Oh god, no time to see. Actually, there is time to see. Oh my god. This is crazy. Oh my god. Bro, I love this. Wait, what happens when I jump into the lava? Maybe it would turn you into a lava monkey, but I'm not sure because this is a casual lobby. I'm just gonna try in a public lobby.